Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today on Pilates with Amanda's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing my favorite booty burn. So grab yourself some ankle weights. If you don't have them, you don't need them. And let's burn our booties. So you're going to start by lying on your side. If you want to have your hand on the mat, that's fine. Just make sure your shoulder and wrist are lined up. Otherwise, you can go down on your elbow. Same principle applies. Make sure that your elbow is in line with your shoulder. Otherwise, you can go down on your side like this, or you can lie down like this. Do what works for you. However, when choosing a position, make sure that you keep that position for both sides. So if you prefer to do it on your elbow on one side, make sure you do that on the other side. I'm going to do it with my elbow underneath my shoulder, and we're just going to start by doing some clamshells. So you're going to keep your hips stacked. Make sure that your bones are lined up, and you don't want to rock back. You just want to keep your hips level, and we're going to do 10 clamshells for 10. 9, keep your neck long. 8, 7, 6, 5, pull your belly in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Open that clamshell, and you're going to rotate at your lower part of the leg and then bring your heels together and close the clamshell. So we're going to open, rotate, close, and close. We go 3. Rotate, heels together, close. 4. Open, rotate, heels together, close. Really keep this movement flowing and smooth. And make sure that as you do this, your hips aren't going backwards. We're going to do 3 more for 3, 2, and 1. Good. From here, you're going to take that position and we're going to make little circles with our knees. Same principle applies. Keep those hips still. And we're going to go for 3, 4. So it looks like we're making circles with our knee, but we're actually making circles with our hip. So we're doing 5 more. 5, 4, belly in. 3, shoulder down. 2, and 1. Let's reverse it. We go for 10. 9, 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, it should burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Punch that booty out. It's my favorite thing to do. Best part of the series. Okay, extend that leg out. We're going to flex our foot hard, and we're going to go up and down for 10. 9, little up and down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bend that knee. Make a 90-degree angle from your hip, your knee to your ankle, and reach that leg long. We bend. And reach. 2. Shoulders are down. Neck is long. 3. Inhale here. Exhale. Reach. 4. 5. Like you're pressing a wall away. 6. We're doing a slow motion karate chop. 7. 8. You got this. 9. It's burning. And 10. Stay here. Point your toes. We're going to make little circles. 10. 9. Ooh. 8. 7. 6. 5. Reaching through the crown of your head. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. 10. 9. Point those toes. 8. Ooh. 7. Keep those hips still. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Punch that booty out. Is it burning? It's burning for me, I'll tell you that. Okay, keeping that arm right where it is. Reach that leg long again. We're going to kick it forward and point it back. 1. Kick it forward and point it back. 2. You can let your hips move here. 3. And 4. Exhale. 5. And flex. And 7. Exhale. 8. We got this. 9. And 10. Wowza. Punch it out. Last set here. We're going to go from the corner of the front of the mat and then go to the back of the mat. So we're going to go 1 and 2. Keep those hips still. 3. Just the leg moves. 4, 5, shoulders are down, keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow! Punch it out. How's everyone doing? I hope you feel it too. My booty is definitely burning. Let's go to the other side. And again, find your position, shoulders directly underneath the elbow. And we're gonna go for 10. Clamming. 9, 8, shoulders are down, belly is in. 7, long neck. 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, put a smile on your face. 3, 2, and 1. Open those knees, rotate that ankle, and go 1. Rotate, and 2. Really find that little rotation. 3 of the hip, and 4. Exhale, 5. Keep those hips still. 6, 7, 8. We rotate, and we close. 9, and 10. Woo! Punch it out if you need to. We're moving right along. We're going to make those circles of our hips. So we're going to go for 1, 2, keep those hips still. 3, 4, stirring the knee. 5, 6, keep breathing. 7, 8, long neck. 9, shoulders are down. And 10, we reverse. We go 10, 9, 8, keep breathing. 7, pull that belly in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Punch the booty. Good job, guys. Okay, right now we're going to take that leg out. We're going to flex that foot hard. We're going to lift that leg and lower it very little. 2, keep those hips still. 3, it's just a small movement. 4, 5, like it's going in and up on the hip. 7, 8, 9, and 10. So imagine that your hip bone, so the bone, the femur bone inside the hip socket, it's just sliding like this in the socket as we're doing this. So that's kind of the movement you want to feel as you're doing that. And then we're going to find that 90-degree angle of the leg, and we're going to reach that leg long and bend. 1, reaching. 2, and 3. Keep breathing. 4, 5, pull the belly in. 6, 7, 8, 9, really punch that wall away, and 10. Fabulous. Point your toes, little circles. We go 10, 9, really small. 8, 7, so small it's barely moving. 6, 5, 4, it's all about keeping the hips still. 3, 2, 1, reverse it. 10, 9, try and soften your face. 8, 7, lengthen. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ooh, punchy, punchy. Okay, coming to the final frontier. We're going to take that leg long. We're going to swing it forward and point it back. 1, and 2, really reach. Make it deliberate. 3, and 4. How smooth can you go? 5, can you keep that leg totally lined up? 6, look at it. 7, how is it moving? 8, 9, go at my speed. And 10, awesome. We're not punching this time. We're going straight through. We're going to tap the front of the mat and tap the back of the mat. 1, and 2, we'll punch at the end. 3, and 4, you got it. 5, and 6, keep going. 7, and 8, 9, one more, and 10, punch it out. Great job, guys. We're almost done with this booty burn. So we're just going to go onto our hands and knees. We're going to find a quadruped position. Shoulders are directly underneath the wrists. The knees are directly underneath the hip. And you're going to reach your leg long. You're going to bend your knee and extend it. 1, flexing the foot and pointing as we reach. 2, and 3, find a long line. 4, pull that belly in. 5, really reach. 7, 8, 9, flex and point, and 10. Awesome. Keep that bend of the knee. We pulse up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Really squeeze the butt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower that leg down. Pull it under. Other side. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's do it. Extend that leg out. We go up. 1 and reach. Flex it hard. And 2. Long neck. 3. Belly in. Keep those hips still. 4 and 5. Make them level. 6, 7, 8. Make it pretty. 9 and 10. Stay here. We pulse up. We go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower it down. Go into a child's pose. Reach those fingers long. Drop the butt. Sitting on up. And there you have it. Your booty burn. I hope your booties are burning and that you got a quick workout in, you feel good, and you're ready to move on with your day. I look forward to seeing you next time on Pilates with Amanda. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more content. I'll see you soon.